Hello and welcome to the channel Crypto Enthusiast. So, God's Airdrop just started their Ton Faucet Frenzy Phase 3, and for you to participate in this very task or mission, you have to connect your Ton wallet. Alright, and that is what I'll be teaching you how to do today. Alright, today you're going to learn exactly how to do this. I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your Ton wallet and also how to secure it from scammers or hackers. Okay, so without further ado, let's head straight into this very video. Now, first thing first, when you land on your Gold's Airdrop homepage, it's going to look like this, right? As you can see right here, it says home because we are currently in the home section. Now, this is where you get to connect your Ton wallet. All right, and to connect your Ton wallet right now, you just have to click on connect wallet. Now, the moment you do, you're going to be asked to connect the Ton wallet right here, and all you have to do is really simple. All right, you can just go to Play Store. It comes with every Android device. You can just go over here and click on this very app right here. It's on your phone. If you are using an Apple device, you can use App Store and come over to the search bar. For Play Store, you can just click on this search bar right here. Now, once you click on the search bar, go over to the search bar and type in the keyword tonkeeper and hit search. And once you hit search, you're going to see this very application right here which says tonkeeper-ton. Right, this very one here is what you're meant to click on. In your case, if you're doing this for the first time, you're going to see the install button, but in my case right now, you can see open. All right, this is what you're going to see after installing this app on your device. Now, once you do, just go ahead and click on open, and this is how it will look like. If you already have this very wallet, I suggest you create a new one, all right, just to be safe, and not just that, so it doesn't get mixed up or confusing. Now, what you are meant to do is to go over to the top right here, right, just click on that drop down arrow or that wallet icon right there, and then you go ahead and click on this very button right here that says add wallet. Now, the moment you click on add wallet, this is going to lead you to this very page. Now, the next thing you're meant to do is to click on new wallet, right, and then you enter your passcode. All right, the moment you enter your passcode, you are going to automatically create a new wallet. As you can see, this is loading up right now, and in a moment we're going to be able to create a new wallet. And as you can see right here, it says get instant notification. We'll just go ahead and click on enable notification, right? And we're being asked to give this wallet a name. To give this wallet a name, you just have to come over here, just click on this, and we're going to name this wallet goats. So we're just going to erase this and type in the keyword goats and click on save, and automatically we have created a new wallet. Now, what you want to do after creating a new wallet, I always recommend you do this, is to go over to the top right corner of your screen and click on that very gear icon. And the moment you click on the gear icon, you want to come over to backup, right? Click on backup. After you click on backup, go ahead and click on backup manually, and then click on continue, and then enter your passcode, and your 24-word seed phrase will be shown to you. Now, write that down in a piece of paper, or you can screenshot this and save it in your drive, because I mean, having a bunch of wallets, it's going to be really hard penning them down, but that's the best way and the most secure way to have your wallet secured. All right, but if you don't have the time to do that, you can just save that on your Google Drive or your online drive, but I don't suggest you do that because it's not really safe. Google is the best option for me. So what I'm going to do right now is to screenshot this. I mean, since Tonkeeper has given us the option to screenshot our passphrase or seed phrase, unlike Trust Wallet, Clever Wallet, and the likes, you can do this right here. You can screenshot on Tonkeeper Wallet. Now, once you've made sure you've downloaded Tonkeeper Wallet and you are in this very wallet you want to use for the wallet connection, is simple. All right, what you're meant to do next is to head back to your Gold's Airdrop page, right, and then go ahead and click on connect wallet again. Then we select this very one right here which says Tonkeeper. Right, just click on this, and as you can see right now, we are redirected to our Tonkeeper wallet. What we're meant to do next is to click on connect wallet and then enter your passcode. All right, very important during the wallet creation process. If you're doing this for the first time, it's going to connect, but it's going to give you your passcode. As you can see, this is done. Our wallet has automatically connected. All right, we are meant to see it connected right here. We're just going to give it a few seconds, and hopefully this wallet will be connected. So as you can see right now, our wallet has successfully connected, and as you can see right here, this is our wallet right here. You can get more goods. Now, if I click on get more goods, now this is going to take us to the lottery, which will be ending in 7 hours time. we don't want to do that. Let me just head back for now. And what you're meant to do right here is to come over here and participate in this Ton Faucet Frenzy. By participating in this Ton Faucet Frenzy, you stand a chance to win 3 to 50 ton if you are a hamster fan. What they mean? They simply mean that if you have found hamster airdrop, or if you mine hamster airdrop on Telegram, I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with that very airdrop, you can participate in this very airdrop. All right, the first thing you're meant to do is to connect your wallet, which we already did. All right, and the next is to retweet this tweet on Twitter, and the next is to comment your hamster combat profile or screenshot. Right, it's really simple, right? You can just come over here and click on connect wallet, which I've already done. So this is going to be checked. All right, now that's done. The next task right here is to click on this, which says retweet this tweet. I'm just going to click on do, and this should redirect us to Twitter. All right, I'm just going to click on just once right now, and we are automatically redirected to Twitter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and retweet this very tweet right here, which is also promoting the Ton Faucet Frenzy phase 3. So I'm just going to click on this retweet icon right here. If you don't have Twitter, you should get Twitter. Okay, so I'm just going to click on repost because I don't want to use a quote, and I believe we have reposted this. The icon right here is displaying green. For you to see that, you can head over to your profile. There's no time, so I'm not going to be doing that right now. So I'm just going to head back right now, and this is also checked. So we're going to do the last one, which says comment your hamster combat profile screenshot. Okay, how do we do that? It's simple. What you're meant to do is to head over to your hamster combat app. I already opened the app, so I'm just going to screenshot this right now and send it to them. Right, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to head back to our goods airdrop app right now, and we're going to click on do, just like we did for others, and let's see where this leads us. Okay, it says open with X. Okay, let's click on just once, and it says Ton Faucet Frenzy phase 3. And once we arrive here, what you're meant to do right now is to scroll down and look at how other people did theirs. So this guy right here posted his, this guy right here posted his, other people are posting theirs. So what we're meant to do is to click on this very button that says post your reply, and then select this picture right here. Once you click the picture icon, we are going to go ahead and select this very screenshot we just took, and then click on done. Okay, all right, I'm just going to click on got it, and hopefully we have just dropped this very picture right here. So this is loading up right now, and as you can see right here, this is our post. This is the very tweet we just made. So what you're meant to do right now is to return back to your Goats airdrop app. The whole task right here is checked, so we're just going to go ahead right now and click on participate. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on participate, and this is it. It says participated. The whole task right here is checked. So this is literally how to connect your Ton wallet on the Goats mini app on Telegram. Right, the best thing to do whenever you join each of these airdrops is to connect your wallet, because by so doing you stand the chance to benefit from the airdrop. When the airdrop launch, your wallet will be registered as one of the people that linked their wallet at first, and you know what that means. You get to receive yours before others do. All right, so creating and linking your wallet is very important, and don't forget the tips, the important tips I shared with you in this very video. Creating a different wallet for this is very important. Also, saving your passphrase is very important. Okay, now one more thing before we round up this very video. Now, how do you confirm if the Goods app is successfully linked to your tonkeeper wallet? The second way to confirm if your wallet address has been successfully linked is to click on browser. Now, the moment you click on browser, you want to head over to the top right here, which says connect. All right, this very connect right here. Okay, by default is on explore, but if you click on connected right now, you're going to see this right here, which is the Goats icon, meaning that this wallet has successfully connected to our Goats mini app on Telegram. Right, so once this airdrop is concluded, you're sure of getting yours. This is a clear confirmation that your wallet address is successfully connected. So this is it for this very video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments or if you have any question, leave them in the comment section, and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. If you don't want to miss out on updates like this, then like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification so that whenever I drop new videos like this, you'll be among the first to get notified. One more thing, if you haven't joined Goats airdrop, then I would suggest and advise you do so, and do so immediately. because this airdrop stand the chance to replicate Dog's success. All right, Dog didn't do too well, but I mean, it was able to pay off some bills, right? Right, this very airdrop can replicate Dog's success and can possibly do more. All right, a lot of people have been talking about this, a lot of top projects. This airdrop is going to be listed on top cryptocurrency exchanges. Right, so hop in right now while it's still possible and early, so you don't fall into the regret crew. Now there's something that happens. I don't really post all the updates as in video form because I'm kind of a busy man, but one thing I usually do is that I share my updates on my group, all right, on my channel, social media channels. So the best thing you want to do right now is to join my social media channel, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp. You can join any of them depending on the one that suits you best. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.